Hello, it's Liv, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick, simple 5-minute little makeup routine that you can do for school if you're running late for classes, or click the snooze button on your alarm 15,000 times like I may or may not do, and then almost be late to class. So here's the makeup routine for that. Trust me, I am the master procrastinator and the best person to show you a quick makeup routine. So you clicked on the right video. But if you're new here, you should subscribe and like the video and comment down below. Follow my other social medias, okay? Or I will find you. I'm gonna stop yapping because I don't have that long. I only have 5 minutes and we're gonna get into the video. You guys can probably see like every one of my pores right now, which is like scary. This is the first step, which you might not need to do. I personally though am very pale and my face is slightly tanner than some other parts of my body, so I am gonna use something to tint it. I usually like to use the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion, but I'm running out of it, so we can't use that today. I also have this stuff, but I bought it too dark. Please laugh. I'm gonna mix it with my moisturizer today. The Bioma Moisturizing Gel Cream. Everyone's like skin is different, so you know, don't buy this moisturizer just because I use it. It's just what I feel works for me. A little bit of the Halo Glow. This is in shade 2, fair / light, by the way. And this is too dark for me, as you'll see in a second. I have a skin tone similar to mine. Shade 2 is too dark. Honestly, just rub it with my hands. Obviously, because I'm talking, this is gonna take me longer than 10 minutes or 5 minutes. All of this is stuff that you can do in under 5 minutes. I keep overthinking this angle. Like, I just look so awkward. I feel like I'm like, bronzer solves all your problems, okay? All of your problems. Today I'm gonna use the Say Do Bronze in shade Sand. Also the lightest shade. Hashtag pale girl. My face isn't that tan, but I am tan. Probably doesn't look like it. I probably look ghostly, transparent. You can probably barely see me. I may be blending in with the door behind me. I know that when I'm in a rush, because I have this habit of like just waking up late for my 8 a.m.s. I hate 8 a.m.s. I hate waking up early. Like, if I could wake up at 9 or 10 every single day of my life, like, I would, 100%. Can't do that with 8 a.m. classes. I have to wake up at like 7 the latest, and I usually do end up waking up at like 7:15. But then because I'm a slow, like, kind of waker-upper, if that makes any sense, underestimate how slow I am. And it takes me like half an hour to literally just walk from my dorm to the bathroom and like wash my face and get back into my dorm and put an outfit on. Get yourself a good bronzer that blends. I love this stuff. It is not drugstore, it's at Sephora. I think it's like $28, but a little bit of this goes a long way and it lasts you forever. Favorite bronzer ever, the Say Do Bronze. Love her. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of blush on just to show you what that would look like. I'm gonna use the Road Blush in shade Freckle. It's my favorite shade. Personally, it's kind of like the nice little natural emphasis of my blush type shade. I'm just gonna add a little bit to show that it does really blend in quickly. Next up is concealer. I definitely need concealer. I make myself look a little less dead, a little less zombie. We're gonna put a little bit of concealer on. My favorite affordable concealers, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. As you can see, she's been through a lot. She has endured some trauma. Shade 10, Fair Pale. I also love the NYX Pro Fix Stick. This is in shade 5, Vanilla. If you want a little bit of a high-end one, this is the Tower 28 Serum Concealer, I think is what it's called. Yes, and this is in shade BU. But I'm gonna go into this today because this is my favorite concealer of all time because it's very light coverage, it's very buildable, very blendable, and it's a very quick thing. For me, with concealer, I just put it right there. I put it here to like cover up my redness a little bit, and then a little bit on my nose because my nose is a little uneven. Am I too close again? At the end of the video I'm gonna be like, hi. I need to shut up. I don't know if this is blended. I can't see because I don't want to go too close to the camera. Blended so nice. Optional, but I feel that this helps a lot because I do have oily skin. I'm gonna use some pressed powder. I use the e.l.f. HD powder there. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure if I even do this right, but this is what works for me. Down the sides of my nose like that to kind of just give it like a natural contour. Or just to clean up my cheekbones just a little bit. On my forehead, just because sometimes she can get a little creased. Now that I look like insane, I like to let that sit for a minute, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna do some eyebrow gel. We need them to stay in place. My favorite eyebrow gel is this stuff, but I'm out of it. So the Refi brow gel, this stuff's amazing. Okay, if you don't want to use brow gel, you don't really vibe with the brow gel, you just want a little spoolie, you can use one of these bad boys and just, you know, brush them. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Brow Lift. This is a great dupe for the Anastasia Brow Freeze, by the way. I've also heard the NYX Brow Glue is really good, and that's a very affordable option. if you don't like this kind of situation with the brow gel, you can try the NYX brow glue, which I'll insert a picture so you can see what it looks like. I feel like this semester especially, I'm gonna have to like really get ready faster, especially because I do have 8 a.m.s 3 days a week this semester. I'm a sophomore now, and my dorm is literally the farthest sophomore dorm on campus. I'm in exile. Apparently they have a rule where like sophomores can't drive to class. Sweetie, the street is public parking. Like, what do you mean I can't drive to class? I will not be walking to class in 30-degree weather when my school is by the water. I'm gonna really have to step up my game this year, so that's why we're practicing this little 5-minute makeup routine now. But now I'm just wiping off the powder with this little brush. I'm gonna do this real quick, okay? Because this stuff, these two products work so well. Okay, first I'm gonna take the NYX Professional Makeup Buttermilk Bronzer. The shade is a little dark for me, I know. They didn't have the lighter shade, okay? Okay, but this is shade, she's all scratched out. Shade All Buttered Up, which I think is the second lightest shade. Just too dark for me. That's what the shade looks like. She's a little orange, as you can see, but it's fine. Take her and just kind of very lightly put it here. You get the idea, you get the vision, get where I'm going. Taking down what I'm putting up.
Stupid.
I need to actually stop talking, like I have a problem. Now my forehead, because you can land an airplane on that thing. Here's the bronzer. Physicians Formula Butter Blush in shade Mauve Mattes. I love this stuff because also hack with this one that I forgot about has a little contour shade in there. So if you want, you can just mix all this together and put it all right there. And it works out great. So just mix like this side over here. A nice light pinky shade and just put it right there. Makes me feel more confident. And that's the point of this video. For you to feel confident to class, to slay the day. And I like to put a little bit on like the bottom of my nose. I don't know why. Do you wanna know why? Actually, I saw Layla Blue do it and I was like, that's cute. So that's why I do it now. Does it look good on me? I don't know. Does it? Last step, lip liner. Because I have pieces of paper where my lips should be. So we're gonna solve that problem. Today I'm gonna use the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in shade 3 Nude. I can't get this plastic off, so I'm just keeping her on. That's what she looks like. No, it needs to be sharpened. Fast, quick, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Just go like right over the Cupid's bow. And then I go to the side. I fill her in, fill her in. They look a little more visible now. Little hack, because for me personally, no matter what lip liner I use, it just evaporates. It goes away, doesn't stay on my lips. You're gonna look insane for a second, but trust. Take some of that setting powder you used before and put her on top of the lips. Don't mind me.
Don't mind me.
Brush it off. This is the setting spray I love. This is a great dupe for the One Size setting spray by Patrick Star. No, Patrick Star. There's too many Patricks. L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting spray. Awesome. We need a 3-second setting mist here. And then some of the lip gloss options. This is the most affordable option. The e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. It's the one I have. It's in shade Rose Envy. Kylie Cosmetics Supple Kiss Lip Glaze. This is in shade All Yours. I see it. I'm also running out of her, but the is it Olay or Ole Henriksen? Strawberry Sorbet Lip Balm. And I have the Summer Fridays Pink Guava, which is what I'm gonna use today. I need the aesthetic clip. Yes! One. Am I giving Pink Princess vibes today? For mascara, I currently have lash clusters on. It's not the best example because these have been on for over a week. They need to come off. But they are the Ardell Seamless Under Lash Wispies. They look like. Here's what they look like after being on for like a week and a half. Some of my favorite mascaras. Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is probably like 6 months old. I don't even know if this is gonna open. I also love the Tartelette Tubing Mascara and the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Tiny, but it works really well. Definitely using lash clusters, if that is your thing, is a hack because mascara is by far the longest step of my makeup routine. It would take me like 10 minutes alone to perfect my lashes. I'm very like particular about the way I want them to look. So that is all for my little 5-minute school makeup routine. Here's what she looks like. Let me come in some different lighting so you can see. Oh, I just dropped my dry shampoo. That's what makeup looks like in this lighting. Very simple, very natural, very cute.
Joss. Slay.
if you watch this entire video, you're awesome. Thank you so much. You should subscribe because I'm so funny. So awesome when I make great YouTube videos. So you should totally subscribe. Let me know more videos you want to see. If you want me to do more makeup videos, let me know. If you want me to do like a full makeup routine, let me know. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Oh my god, I'm really giving pink vibes today. Wow. Bye bye.